Add Vignette Effect using curves. Welcome to Quick Learn. Today we are going to show you another way of adding Vignette Effect in Photoshop. Previously we showed you two different methods of adding vignette. Those are vignette with camera raw filter and vignette with lens correction. Now we are going to show you how to do this with curves. So let's find out how it works in 2 minutes. Definitely your likes, comments or subscriptions make us happy. But do you know what is more important to us? That is your love for Quick Learn. Keep loving and have fun with Photoshop.